In the vibrant political landscape of Pakistan, establishing a political party is a significant undertaking. The Election Commission of Pakistan regulates the registration and the functioning of political parties in the country. Here is a guide on how to register a political party with ECP. Number one, formation of central committee. Forming a central committee consists of at least 7 members. These members will represent the party's leaderships and the policy-making body. Number 2, drafting a constitution. Prepare a comprehensive party constitution that outlines its ideology, principle, objectives, and structure. The constitution should specify the party's name, symbol, organization, hierarchy. Application to ECP. Submit an application to ECP along with the following documents: party constitution, list of central committee members with their signatures, statement of purpose and objectives, declaration of assets and liabilities of central committee members. Number 4, scrutiny and approval. ECP will scrutinize the application and the conduct background checks the central committee members. If found satisfactory, the party will be provisionally registered. Number 5, collection of membership dues. Collect membership dues from at least 1,000 individuals across the country. The Election Commission requires a minimum of 1,000 members to grant permit registration. Number 6, final registration. Once the membership target is met, submit the list of members and proof of due payments to Election Commission. The Commission will then issue certificate of permanent registration, recognizing the party as a legal entity. Additional requirements: the party must have a district name and a symbol that is not similar to any existing political party. The party objectives must be consistent with the Constitution of the Pakistan and its national interest. Central Committee members must be Pakistani citizens who are not disqualified for or convicted of any offences. The party must maintain transparency in its financial transactions and submit annual audit reports to ECB. By following these steps, individuals and organizations can establish a political party in Pakistan and participate in the country's democratic process.